Alden, it's short update. Yan, mamaya na ang grand launch ng Vivo with Alden. Saka bukas na ang video fiesta ni Alden dyan sa SM City, Legazpi. Ito yung video.
And hello everyone, tomorrow I will be in Bicol for the video fiesta. Samahan niyo po ako sa SM City, Legazpi to enjoy fun games and activities, get freebies, and of course, learn more about how to save, grow, play, and protect with video. Program starts at 10 a.m. po yan at magpunta lamang sa third level ng mall. And there's also a Thanksgiving show at 2:30 p.m. po sa Mall ATO. Abangan niyo guys, because I'll be having a special performance number for all of you. And if you don't have tickets, don't worry. You can stay and watch the live streaming at the Event Center and Services Lane. Third level po yan of SM City, Legazpi. So, tara na sa video. See you guys tomorrow, July 19, the video fiesta. See you guys there.
Ano ba si Alden dyan? Saka IG story ni Alden. Gwapo pa nga ni Alden sa cover niya. Sa Stargate and People Asia. Men Who Matter 2025. You know. Ito na-mention pa nga si Alden ni Will Ashley dyan sa media conference. Ito yung video.
Bago po ako pumasok ng showbiz, talaga yung gusto ko. Kasi isa lang din po akong manonood na na-inspire sa isang actor. Si Kuya Alden niya. Na parang araw, sabi ko, again, inspire ako ng mga tao at bibigyan ko rin sila ng lakas ng loob para gawin ng mga bagay na gusto nila.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.